So we want to have a look at the uses of agency theory. The uses of agency theory. Uses of agency theory. So in which ways can the agency theory be utilized in management? So we have just seen there is the issue of principles and agents. So this theory can help us better understand, help in better understanding of delegation of authority, with emphasis on principles and agents. Emphasis on principles and agents. So this theory helps us in the field of management to understand when it comes to the delegation of authority from the principles and agents, how is it done and how should it be implemented and so on. So that becomes useful. It can also help in corporate governance. This theory can help in corporate governance. Can help in corporate governance. So when it comes to running of corporations or running of businesses, then the understanding between the principles, the agents, and what are the expectations can be better understood by the underpinnings of the agency theory. Then there is also the issue of resolution of disputes that may arise between principals and agents. Resolution of disputes that may arise between principals and agents. And what we are saying here, dear learner, when you have principals on one side, principals have their interests. They have invested their resources and capital, and they expect to get a return on that capital. On the other side, the agents are employees. They have come to the organization to work, and some of the decisions they may make may create certain conflicts. So the disputes that may arise between principles and disputes can be better understood with the process of understanding the agency theory and how it can be utilized in the various areas. Then there is also appreciation of the roles of agents in decision making, appreciation of the roles of agents in decision making. Number 5, research in the area of human resource management. So when it comes to the uses of the agency theory, it can form what is called a theoretical background, background or foundations. It can form theoretical backgrounds or foundations so that an organization or maybe those interested in areas of human resource research can be able to create a theoretical foundation based on the agency theory to understand variables and constructs in the area of human resource management. There is also the aspect of evaluation of transactions, evaluation evaluation of transactions undertaken in organizations, evaluation of transactions undertaken in organizations. So when it comes to the process of business transactions, as we have indicated, agents have their own interests, principals have their own interests. So when it comes to evaluating the transactions undertaken in organizations, the agency theory can be able to assist in understanding or interpreting the decisions that have been taken within a given organization. Then when it comes to the agency theory learner, the agency theory has on one side tried to explain the relationship between the principals, on the one side the relationship between principals and agents in terms of how they relate. So when it comes to the agents and the principals, this theory can help in the determination, of the remuneration or rewards that may be given to agents or principals. As we have indicated, agents are also looking for rewards. Principals are also looking for rewards. And when it comes to an organization, the agency theory can help us in understanding how the organization is operating. And also, this theory can help us also, number 8, to monitor the performance of agents in organizations. So once you have the agency theory, then this agency theory can also be used in the process of explaining the performance or monitoring the performance of agents, which may also lead to specific decisions being made in relation to the agents and the principals.